Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and here today we have a haul. So here I'm starting off with these macaroons that I got through Aliexpress that I didn't like at all because I didn't read the sizing correctly and they're just overly large, and I was expecting for them to be small for the nails, but unfortunately that's not gonna work out. But I just didn't want to get rid of them and throw them out, so I just showed you guys regardless. So next here we're moving on to some other goodies that I purchased through AliExpress, and these are some really beautiful crystals that they're like rhinestones but they're transparent, and I just absolutely love these type of rhinestones. I think they're so beautiful and stunning, and they were very inexpensive. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything that you saw in today's video. So I did purchase one of these, and then I purchased the larger size rhinestones as well, which were absolutely gorgeous, and here you guys will see what they look like. I absolutely love these. I think they're so beautiful and they would look so good on any nail look because of the way that they are, how they're so translucent. Absolutely love them. They're so beautiful and stunning. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on today's nail art haul along with your favorite items or item in today's video. So here I actually didn't know that this was only one rhinestone. Not a rhinestone, I apologize for that. I didn't know it was just one charm, but when I opened and realized that it was one charm, I was like, wow, really? Did I just pay for this? But then I realized that it was such a beautiful, cute charm, and I'm actually gonna go back and see what other charms the seller has and maybe purchase them because I really loved how cute they were. So yeah, that is what it looks like, and this is the size. Such a great size for the nails as well. Just a super cute bunny. I thought it was adorable. And then next here we're moving on to some more goodies from AliExpress, and these are some really nice charms as well. I got two different colors and you guys will see them right here. So this is what they look like. These definitely remind me of Sailor Moon, which is why I purchased them, and I thought they were just such a beautiful look. You know, if you're gonna do like a bedazzled look, you're gonna incorporate a lot of rhinestones and a lot of bling, I thought that this would go beautifully with it. That is why I purchased them. So I got this really beautiful pink crystal in the middle, and then I got the other one that's just like a silver. But yeah, I thought they were very, very beautiful. So this is what they look like. Next here we have these stickers from the Descendants, and I just saw these in Dollar Tree, so I decided to get these stickers. I don't know, I just wanted to add it to my collection since it's so hard for me to find, and nail art stickers when I go once in a blue moon to the Dollar Tree, it's just like nearly impossible to find nail art stickers. So when I do, I just pick them up, and I happen to find these. I've never watched this movie. If it is a movie, I've never watched it. Let me know down below if you guys have. But yeah, next we're moving on to some other goodies from AliExpress, and here we have some full coverage nails in medium coffin, and I absolutely recommend AliExpress full coverage nails or nail tips. 10 out of 10. They are just so affordable, such great quality, and amazing dupes for a lot of other companies as well. So yeah, here I'm just showing you up close what they look like. And I just always like to restock on my nail tips when I see that I'm running low, and right now I'm actually running low on the extreme square nails, so I definitely have to go and pick some more of those. But yeah, next here we are starting off with some items from Shein now. So here I got these tip guides from Shein, and I didn't realize that they have so many designs, which I really appreciated and I thought was really cool. So I'm looking forward to using these and see if they work or how they work. I have purchased them through Aliexpress, but they're not that great. But yeah, these I liked how they just come in all different types of shapes and stuff. Like we have circles, we have waves. I think this even has like drips and everything, so it was really cool. I loved how it came with so much variety, and I really appreciated that. And I didn't realize that the other pack that I have beside this one is the same exact thing, just different packaging, and they're both from Shein. I believe they were each $1.50, or I'll have it here on the screen for you guys to know the pricing of them. You see right here we have some drips and stuff, or like slime looking type of drips, which is really cool. So yeah, I really appreciated that. It even came with stars, which I thought was really nice, and hearts. I had never seen these type of things like this in regards to like tip guides. I had never seen shapes and stuff, so I thought that was really neat and nice to add to my collection. So yeah, here I'm just gonna briefly show you the rest of what it includes. So now we're moving on to some nail art stickers from Shein as well, and these were anime ones, and I thought they're really pretty and unique, and I definitely wanted to incorporate them into my nail collection. So here we have some glitter, and this I really love because these are different sized circles in different colors as well, and I thought this would look really beautiful encapsulated. So here's the variety of all the mixes that you get. As you can see, there's a variety of colors and sizes, and I just can't wait to use these into a set. So here we're moving on to some full coverage nails that I purchased through Amazon. So now we're moving on to some goodies from Amazon, and these are extremely long, which is what I really love about these, and they're $8.99 through Amazon. I will have them linked down below, and I've shown these a couple of times in my past hauls, but I just keep restocking on them just in case one day the seller just doesn't sell them anymore, because I love the length, and these are in Coffin. I really love the way that they look. So here I'm just briefly showing you what they would look like on the nail and the length of how long they are, which I absolutely loved. And these do bring like 120 pieces, I believe, something like that, but I will have it linked down below because I'm not 100% sure. And here I'm just comparing it with the Extreme Square from Aliexpress, and they're just a tiny bit longer, these in particular. So I absolutely love how long they are, and I actually haven't incorporated this on my channel in a while using these full coverage nails, so I definitely will. So I'm really excited to create looks with these nails in the future. So next we're moving on to this 100-piece nail swatch sticks, and these are in black, and I didn't own any in black. I usually always get clear, so I wanted to test out some in black, and I do some swatches of some polishes on them, and I absolutely love the way that they look. So here I'm just going to briefly show you the swatch sticks, and then I'm going to show you some swatches with some gel polishes here. I absolutely love these three colors. I'm just so in awe with them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And I just can't get over how stunning these colors are. So I definitely wanted to swatch them for you all. So next we're moving on to these 12 boxes of the paper decorations, and these are amazing for encapsulation. So I always love to stock up on these because I do tend to use these a lot in my nail looks, and I realize that every single time I do a set I do use a lot. So I always like to repurchase them and just constantly keep myself in stock with these because I absolutely love them, especially when they're on sale. Unfortunately, when I went back to list the link, it isn't on sale. This is going for like $10, but when I purchased this was only $3 or $4 on Amazon. But unfortunately that sale is no longer available, so this is $10, which is still pretty good for 12 because in some websites alone these will cost you like $2.50 or up to $3 each individual box. So I definitely thought this was a steal regardless. So here I'm just showing you up close each individual box, and I just love how even though they're so tiny, they're just so detailed and beautiful, and how there's a variety of a bunch of stuff going on. For example, with the butterflies, the flowers, everything that I'm going to show you up close, there's just so much detailing and just so much going on, and there's just so much you can do with these, and I just absolutely love them, and I definitely recommend them if you guys haven't tried these out, especially for encapsulation, because they make any look absolutely stunning. So we are coming close to an end of this nail art haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. It means the absolute world, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.